What is this I'm holding? Does anybody know? Well, it is a replica of a terracotta warrior. And the terracotta warriors are very interesting to ceramic folk because they are life size, so about 5 foot 8 inches size people made out of terracotta. And as you guys may or may not know, terracotta is an earthenware, which is the same type of clay that we use at school. And it's just a little different color, but it's the same strength and the same firing temperature. Okay, so can you imagine making a 5 foot 8 person out of our clay? Well, that's what they did in China, but they did it for, let me look at my research here. They did it for 8,000 soldiers. Okay, and get this, they were all unique. Every single one of them was made by hand. Every single one of them was different, had different things like different ears, different face, different body. And then they were buried in a tomb for thousands and thousands of years. And in the 70s, somebody in China started digging a well and found a head, and then they started unearthing it. And so for ceramics, this is a very, very big discovery. So you're going to watch some videos on it. I would take notes. You're going to have a little quiz at the end. I wanted to give you a few little tidbits of information that I find interesting. Like I said, they are 5 foot 8 inches on average, so that's taller than me. So if any of you are 5 foot 8, they're your size. There were about 7 to 8,000 soldiers, but they also had what do they have? Horses and that kind of thing, all made out of clay and fired. The tomb is 20 square miles, so it's really large. Each soldier had a footprint of 2.25 square feet. Each one is unique. There is no two alike. Okay, and there was 700,000 laborers that made them, and that's why they're all unique. And why did they make them? Why are they there? Why are they buried? Those are the things that you're going to learn in the videos that I have for you. It did take about 40 years for them to complete them. Some say a little more, some say a little less, but we don't know because it was so long ago. Okay, so you're going to learn about the emperor that decided to make these, why he decided to make them, what kind of emperor he was, what other accomplishments he had, and then some more about them. So the reason I have this is that there was a very special exhibit that went through just a few places in the United States. China allowed them to leave China, and one of the places was Seattle. So I went to, a few years ago, to the Terracotta Warrior exhibit in, it was at the Science Center in downtown Seattle, and I picked up this little replica because I'm a ceramics teacher. Of course I want this. Let me see if you can see it better. But they are really large and they're really awesome. So I hope you enjoy this week's lessons. And man, it's almost getting sunny and warm, and we're almost done with school. Okay, so enjoy learning about this week. Okay, bye guys.